Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to insert and added images in Microsoft PowerPoint. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So here you can see that I have this new slide here, and if I want to insert an image here, I will basically go into this insert tab here, and here you can see pictures. And when you will click on the pictures here, basically you will get three options where you can actually insert pictures. So you can actually insert pictures from your laptop or your PC as well. You will click on this one, and then you can select any image in your PC. You will click on image, click insert, and it will be inserted here. Okay, and the next thing that you can do here, you will go into this insert, then pictures, and then basically you can enter the stock images basically, okay, in your PowerPoint as well. So click on this one, and then this will connect to online, and then it will basically show you images here, and you can basically select any kind of image from here. And here you can see that we have different type of images here. So let's suppose if you want to add this image, okay, you will click on this image, insert, and basically it will download this image. So here you can see that it is downloading this image as well. Okay, so we just have to wait for it to complete the download, and here you can see that we have this beautiful image. And now when you basically select image here, you can see that we have this picture format option. So what this option will do here, that we can basically add multiple things with this picture here. If we want to remove the background from this picture, we can basically click on this one, okay, and then basically if we want to compress this picture, we can do this as well. We can add artistic effects on this picture as well, like there are multiple effects here that we can add, okay. And the next thing that you can do here, that you can basically add borders to the pictures as well, okay. Like if you want to add an image in a circle form, you can add that as well here, okay. So that is the kind of things that you can do with the pictures as well. And if you select this image, basically you can increase or decrease its size by dragging these images like this one, and then you can place it in wherever you want. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.